Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a DIY friendship band at home. Here I have taken a sketch pen, a piece of lace, scissor, some pearls, a fevicol and two pulls of thread, glue gum and a cardboard sheet like paper which I got through some paper. You can find it some in biscuit papers or Horlicks wrapper, something like that. So let's get started. uh, Take the lace and cut it as per the requirement. Yes, cut it in the edges, something like this. If you don't get satin lace, don't worry. If you have a daughter, and definitely she'll have some old frocks and you will get it in the old frocks. And if you don't have that too, you no need to worry. And in next thing we are going to make a friendship band using the threads. Definitely every home has threads. Now we are going to cut the cardboard sheet into some rectangles like shape, and you can cut as per your wish. It's not much, it should be like this only, so you can cut as per your wish. So in this situation, going out is not a advisable thing, and will not get a chance to go and get friendship bands outside, and will not get chance to meet our friends too. So we'll make something like this and post a photo. So I have cut this and I'm going to write something. You can write whatever you wish. I'm going to write friends. That's it. Once you are done, paste. Yes, here. Once you are done, uh, take the fevicol and apply some fevicol on the back and place it on the lace. Yes. Get the center point and place it there. And to look even more pretty, use some glitter gums to decorate the lace. Yes, I'm using glitter gum, so something like dot like this. So once it get dry, it will look more beautiful. And let it dry for some time. See, here is our first friendship band is ready. So this everyone can make at home. So that second one will going to make us using a thread. Let's take a book or something and uh, make a 10 to 12 strings of thread like this. Yes, and take out the thread very carefully. Cut the end of the thread and take out, because it may. Yes, I have taken that. So cut it in one end and hold it carefully, because it will split at any time. So hold it carefully and cut at one end. So I'm going to use a gum in one end to avoid the splitting. Yes, like this. Use a gum at one end. See, something like this. So it will not get splitted and it will be in that position only. Yeah, here we are done. and I'm going to take the second thread in the same way, going to make some 8 to 10 strands in the same way which we did the first thread. Yes, here we are done. Now I'm going to cut the end and take it out. Yes, and do the same way, cut at one end and place some fevicol to avoid the splittings. So making these things at home is not a big deal. You can make it too. Yes, our two threads are ready now. Join together and stick it together. Now we are going to put some pearls through this. So put a knot, leaving some thread at one end. Like this. I have left some thread to tie the band and put a knot. Yes. So now going to put the thread one by one. So our first bead is ready, and put a knot again in the end of that bead. So put every beads and tie a knot. You can teach this to your kids too, because they will also enjoy. Being sitting at home is a tough task, and they will also enjoy too by making this. Try this at your home, and it is very easy. So you can use how much pearls you want. It's not like 4 or 5. It depends on your creativity, your wish. You can put 5, 10, how many pearls you want. Here I have added 5 pearls and cut the end which we used a gum. So our thread pearl friendship band is ready. See how pretty it is. Yes. So we'll next do another band which is going to be a surprise for your friends. Yes, it will be a surprising band. So as I said, going out and getting friendship band and meeting friends is not a possible thing. So we'll make some friendship band using their names and take a photo, send to them. Surely they will get surprised. So here we have taken a satin lace and cut the edges, and using cardboard sheet cut some shapes, whatever shape you want. So after cutting, write your friend's name on the sheet and place it on the satin lace as we did in the first friendship band. See, I am writing my friend name here. And this video credits goes to one of my friend. She only suggested me to do this video. Her name is Ramya. Thanks, Ramya. And happy Friendship Day. So put some gum and place it on the top of the lace, and as we did in the first band, Use some glitter gum to decorate. Decoration is uh, not a big deal. It's only depends on your creativity. You can do whatever you want because this is a self-making band, so it's fully our wish to make. So here I have taken four stones to decorate even more. Put a glue fevicol and place on top of that gum. See, now it's looking even more pretty than the first one because here we have used that stone. Yeah, see this how pretty it is. So do this, surprise your friends, and they will enjoy, and you will enjoy too. If you want to make another band with your kids, ask them to do some smileys or cartoons, whatever they wish, something like this. Here I'm doing a smiley. So cut it into a round shape and draw a smiley and place it on the lace which we did the lace bands, because your kids will enjoy too. And that's it. Here you goes how simple it is. Place on the top of that lace and even they will also enjoy. Yes, here, thanks for watching the video. Happy Friendship Day all. Do try this at your home, and how it is simple as you think. Thank you.